ultrasound of gallbladder stone. The condition is also known as cholelithiasis. So the gallstones are masses inside the gallbladder lumen. They are made up of variable amounts of cholesterol, bilirubin, calcium, and the mucus that is secreted by the gallbladder. Now, depending on the proportion of the various components, it may be called a cholesterol stone, pigment stone, or a mixed stone. They may cause chronic or acute pain and also epigastric discomfort. Now in our case, this image shows an isoechoic mass lesion inside the gallbladder lumen. This is the another image of the same patient, and we can see that there is mass lesion inside the lumen which is isoechoic to the surrounding tissue. Now the combined size of this mass is approximately 45 mm into 15 mm. The other thing that we need to look at is the size of the gallbladder itself, that is the diameter of the gallbladder. It is approximately 3.6 centimeter here. So the normal size in even distended state should be less than 4 to 4.5 centimeter. So here it is normal. Now the thickness of the gallbladder wall, it is 2 mm. So in this much of distension of the gallbladder, I will consider it on the higher side. The other thing we need to look at is the diameter of the common bile duct. Here it is 4.7 mm. It is less than 6 mm, so it is normal here. One more thing that we need to look at is the distal acoustic attenuation of the mass lesion. So here we can see that there is no acoustic shadow posteriorly, and this is the clip that shows that the mass lesion is mobile. Now compare it with a normal gallstone. Here we can see a clear-cut distal acoustic shadow. So this is the normal gallstone. Posteriorly, acoustic shadow can be seen. Here also posteriorly acoustic shadow can be seen. So what actually we are looking at is an isoechoic focus within gallbladder lumen. There is no distal acoustic attenuation and it is mobile. So actually this is sludge which has become solid. It is known as tumefactive sludge. Thank you.